Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to copy the link of your board created on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and then click on this Your Profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the board that you have created, and after that tap on this More button at the top of the screen next to the name of your board, and then click on Share, which is the second option. And here at the top you can see this copy link option, so tap on it, and then you can see that it says link copied, so the link of your board has been copied to clipboard, so you can easily forward it to your recipients who will be able to check out the board that you have created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.